Good morning, class. Good morning, everyone. My voice is audible? Video is clear? Okay. Now, everyone, before starting, there are some points. Listen, everyone, carefully. Okay? As I have checked the copies, I have seen that many of them has not mentioned the date before starting the chapter. So, while starting the chapter, you have to mention the date. Okay, everyone? Now, second, and many of them have not mentioned the exercise properly as they have done like this. What is this? So try to write exercise properly. Okay. Now anyone can tell me that why I have given the definition to write in the copy? Shreya, what is the reason behind giving the definition to write in the copy?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. You have given the definition to write it, and we have to learn that definition.
As to learn the definition, while writing, you will be going through each and every line of that definition.
Yes, sir.
Helpful for you in 9th and 10th. That's why I have given that, and most of them has not done that thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, in question, circle question number 1. Everyone, look at here. Question number 1 has given 3.6 centimeter, maybe 4.5 and 5.6. Let's suppose this is the question, and you have to draw the circle with this radius with same centimeter, same center. So what we will do first, we will draw with center this. Let's suppose this is of 5.6. Okay. Again, we have to draw the circle with the radius 4.5 with the help of this only. So you will draw like this, not the different circle. Most of them have done the different circle. Okay. Now again 3.6 centimeter. So this will be this, and this is the figure. And mention the radius like this, and like this with 5.6 centimeter radius, 4.5, and this is 3.6. Not like this. Everyone getting? Okay. Now. And most of them have not written the formula also, and I have seen that most of them have just started the chapter, has not written the formula. So please write it. And while solving the equation, you have to mention the is equal to sign while solving the equation. That is important. Okay. And let's suppose there is SP of 400. Please mention the rupees here, like rupees here. Most of them have done like this only. They have written 400 as it is. If there is unit, mention the unit there also. Okay. And in the square root and cube root chapter, as question is there, we have to find 243 upon 100. Okay. Most of them have done like this. 243 upon 100. This means only 243 is in cube root or square root. So mention like this. Okay, everyone? Now, if anyone is having doubt, Anshika, anyone? Yes, Anshika.
I have doubt in sir, question number 4 of circle.
Question number 4 of circle. Okay, tell me. We have to draw a circle with center O and radius 3.6 centimeter and draw a sector having the angle 75 degree. How you will make 75 degree?
By vector.
By the help of protractor or with the help of compass, you can also do with that. Okay. Okay. Just make the circle like this with the given radius. Make the center. Suppose you have drawn a radius. Now with the help of this, you can draw another line also with of 75 degree. With the help of protractor or with the help of compass. Okay.
No, sir, then after that it is asked now the length of chord AB.
Length of chord AB. So what you have to do, just measure it with a scale.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Look at here. In the question number 3, shade the major segment F. Some of them has neither shade this. We don't have to shade this. We have to shade this major segment. This is the major segment. Okay. Now, Aditya.
The 12D exercise down.
Okay. And exercise 12B, which question?
The 12D first third question.
First question. Exercise 12D.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If anyone is having doubt, I will be clearing in last 10 minutes. Okay. Let me complete the exercise first, then I will clear it. Okay. Now, what we have to do, as I had explained in previous class, that division of monomial with monomial. How we will divide the monomial with monomial? Let's suppose there is 16x square y divided by 8xy. Okay. So what we will do? We will make 16x square y upon 8xy, that is 16 upon 8 into x square upon x into y upon y. We will cut the 16 upon 8, that is 2ja, and this x will be x to the power 1 and y will be cancelled. So the answer is 2x. Monomial with monomial. Okay. The creative voice, who voice is coming? No. Come to this division of polynomial with monomial. We have to divide a polynomial with monomial. Let's suppose the question is 9x to the power 4 3x cubed plus 18x square plus 9x. This should be divided by 3x. Let's suppose the example is this. What we have to do, look at here everyone. What we have to do is what we will do, we will write 9x 4 plus 3x cubed plus 18x square plus 9x like this and 3x like this. Now what we will do, we will just separate the LCM with each and every term of the numerator, like 9x to the power 4 upon 3x plus 3x to the power q upon 3x plus 18x square upon 3x plus 9x upon 3x. Okay. Here if we cancel this, it will go with 3 x to the power 1 and x to the power 4. So it will be x to the power q plus 3 will cancel out, power 3 and power 1 x square 6, so it will be 6 here, 2 minus 1, that is x, plus it will cancel and it will cancel with 3. So the answer is this. If it is in a descending order, no need to rearrange, and if it is not in descending order, we have to rearrange the answer. Okay. Anyone is having doubt in this step? Just raise your hand. Kuldeep.
Sir, for telling, I was raising my hand.
Okay. No one is having problem. Everyone write it in your copy. This is the division with one variable. Okay, here is the variable x. Now what we will do? We will divide with two variables. Here is in the previous question there is only one variable and we have to divide it with only one variable. Now in this question there is two variables, that is x and y. Here also denominator part is also consisting two variables. Look at here everyone. 20 x cube y plus 10 x y square minus 15 x square y, which is divided by 5 x y. Okay, this is the question. How we will do this? First we will separate it like 20 x cube y upon 5 x y plus 10 x y square upon 5 x y minus 15 x square y upon 5 x y. We will separate this 5 x y with each and every term of numerator like this. Now what we will do? 5 4 the, so here it is 4 x to the power 3 and x to the power 1, that is x square. Y will be cancelled out. Now plus sign is here. 5 1 the, 5 2 the. So 2 x cancel, y to the power 2 and y to the power 1, that is y to the power 1 because it is in the denominator part. Now 3 the x to the power 2 and x to the power 1, so 3x and y will be cancelled. So the answer is this. Okay, anyone having doubt? Yes, Akansha.
Sir, why it is 4x square?
Where it is?
20. Okay.
It will be x cube, that is x cube upon x to the power 1. In the second chapter exponent, we will, the base are same, we will subtract the power, that is 3 minus 1, x square will be there. Okay, Akansha? Yes. Yes, Divakar. Divakar, again raise your hand. Yes. Rudransh.
Yes, sir. Sir, as it is x cube to the power x, so x3 minus 1, sir, that step we don't need to show that x3 minus 1 is equal to x to the power 2.
You don't need to show that. You just write it as I have written this. First of all,
Yes.
you have to break this into this form. Now you have to cut, you have to show. And if you are cutting the value, just cut it clearly, not like this. Like 20x cube y upon 5xy. You have to say, no, not like this. Okay? Cut it neatly.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Punya Mishra. Right, Punya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I want to ask if 20x cube y plus 10xy square is divided by minus 5xy, then how can we do?
If there is minus, okay, let's suppose there is a minus, we will transfer this minus to the numerator part. It can be transferred, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Divakar.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Divakar.
Sir, that minus 15x square y upon 5x y is there. Sir, this is the second step.
Yeah.
Sir, in the second step, yes, sir, yes, sir. Sir, 15x square y upon 5x y is there. Sir, what if 15x square y upon 5x is there?
Huh.
Why is not there?
So we have just cancelled 5 threes are sorry 5 5 no 5 threes are it will be. Okay, it is correct. 5 threes are 15. And
Sir, I'm unable to hear you.
my voice is coming clear. Okay,
Sir, I
everyone,
can't get it.
just check your connection first. Everyone can hear this.
Sir, I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, I cannot get it.
Okay, wait. Now come to the next question, everyone. I will be clearing the doubt now. Now what we will do, as we have learned the division of monomial with monomial, polynomial with monomial. No. Polynomial with polynomial. Mute your voice. Whose voice is coming? Now, that is, we have to divide x square plus 8x plus 15 divided by x plus 5. Okay, this is a trinomial and this is a binomial. Everyone concentrate here because this is important part. We have to learn this. What we will do, we have to divide this by dividers. First of all, we will make like this. We will write x square plus 8x plus 15 x plus 5. Okay, first of all, we will write like this. Now, before this, can anyone tell me the relation, Prakhar? Just unmute yourself, Prakhar. Akash. Okay, Akash, you tell. Yes, Akash, there is, as you have learned in the lower classes, that there is a dividend, divisor, remainder, and quotient. 4 terms are there in division. So, what is the relation between these terms?
Sir, sir, the dividend is divided by the divisor, so we can get the quotient.
We also get the quotient and we also get the remainder of it.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the relation between these 4 terms?
Sir, and remainder is not greater than quotient.
Yeah, look at here. Akansha, can you tell me?
Sir, the divisor divides the dividend.
Relation I want. Only the equation I want.
Relation.
No, you don't know. Anyone? Just raise your hand. Prashun Shukla. Yes, Prashun.
So the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder.
Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remember this thing, everyone. This is the equation. Okay? Everyone can get this? Now, come to the question, everyone. Look at here. For dividing this, what we will do, we will see the first term of this divisor and the first term of dividend. In the first column, we will just divide the term, that is x square divided by x, that will be x. So, in the place of quotient, we will write x here. Everyone can get this? In the place of quotient, we will write x here. Now, what we will do, we will multiply x into x, that is x square. Now, if we are multiplying with this, we have to multiply with this 5 also, because whole the equation we have to multiply. That is 5x. And we will write the like term below the like term like this. Because here it is a x square, and here is a x term. So we are writing the below the term. Anyone is having doubt in this step? Just raise your hand. Yes, Aditya. Fast.
Sir, that X step you can explain again.
That again, before dividing, first what we have to do, we have to see this term and this term. As it is a x square and this is a x. So we will divide x square with this in a reverse column, not in a pair. Now, if we divide this, answer will be x. So we will write first x here in the quotient part. Okay?
Okay.
Now,
Yes.
multiply this equation with this x square, we will write below the x square, and 5x is there, so we will write below the x term. Shreya, still any doubt?
Yes, sir. How did 5x escape?
That 5 into x, that is 5x.
Okay, sir.
We are multiplying this x with this. We have to multiply this x with this also. Okay, that is the condition. Yes, Kartika, fast.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I didn't understand the step.
This is step.
Yes, sir.
Before dividing, we have to take the first term of the dividend part and first term of the divisor part. Okay. Now, in the number column, we will divide this first term with this first term, that is x square upon x. If we divide, answer will be x. So we will write in quotient x we will write. If the answer, this answer we will write here. Okay. Now, what we will do, we will multiply this whole equation with this. If x is multiplying with x, that is x square. X is also multiplied with 5x, that is 5x. Now, what we will do, we will minus this term for subtracting, we change the sign. It become minus and it also become minus. X square minus x square will cancel out. 8x minus 5x, that is 3x. We will copy this as we have done in we are doing in the division, that we copy the term here. The first term of this, first term of this. Again we will divide 3x by x. So x will cancel, 3 will be here. So we will write plus 3 here. We will multiply this x with 3, not with x, only with 3. 3 into x, that is 3x, and 5 into 3, that is 15. Again we will minus 3x minus 3x, that will cancel out, and it will also cancel out. Write 0 here also, 0 and 0. So the quotient is this, remainder is 0, dividend is this, and divisor is this. Okay, everyone can get this? Yes, Akash.
Sir, when we are taking 3x plus 15, so we have to assure that also, no, sir, 3x plus 15 is greater than x plus 5. Because
No, that is not assured. We have to multiply. If 3x plus 15 is coming, that is okay. And when
yes, sir,
till the below the degree of this, as it is a 1 degree equation, so we will divide till that step when 0 is coming or less than degree of this equation come. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Riddhi.
Sir, I wanted to ask that in this equation 3x plus 15, 3x plus 15 minus. So, sir, why we have written plus symbol? Sir, 0 is neutral.
So it is neutral. Or if you want to write 0 here, you can write 0 as like that. Okay? Yes. Yes. Tell me.
Sir, please explain once more.
Okay. Yes. Rashi Devi. Yes, Rashi. Fast Rashi. Yes. Akansha.
Yes, sir. So first, what we are doing, so we are dividing this term and yes, sir, that term. Okay.
In the number column, not in the field. Okay. Because we have to find the first quotient here, so we will divide the first term of dividend and first term of divisor. So the quotient is this. So we will, in place of quotient, we will write x. Okay. We will multiply with this. Equation will be this. This is in plus format and this is also in a plus. Because we are subtracting this, we just change the sign. Plus become minus and plus become minus. Okay. In examination, everyone see here. If there is plus like this and plus like this, you have to mention here the minus sign. Don't remove the sign. Just mention the minus sign. This x square will become minus x square. Okay? And not the big, only small minus sign is there. Shaurya. Shaurya fast. Yes, Shaurya. No, not coming. Yes, Shreya.
Yes, sir. Can you please explain one more time?
Explaining one more time. Everyone, look at here. As we have to divide this equation with this equation. We will write the dividend part here, the divisor part here. Okay. Now what we will do? First we will take the first term of the dividend and first term of the divisor. In the upper column we will divide this. Answer is x. So we will write x here like this. Now we will multiply this x with this x, that becomes x square. 5 will also multiply, that will become 5. We will write the like term below the like terms. This is the like term, so we are writing below the like term. If there is no like term, just remove that. Write it in a side. Okay. Now what we will do? We have to minus this equation, so we are converting the sign of this part, the lower equations. This is plus, so this is minus. This is plus, so this is minus. So x square minus x square, that will be cancelled out. It will become 0. 8x minus 5x will become 3x. We just copy this 15 plus 15 here. Now again we do the same process. We take the first term of this and first term of this. That is 3x upon x. If we divide, 3 will come. We will write plus 3 here. Again we will multiply this 3 with x, that is 3x. 3 with 15, 5, that is 15. Now what we will do? We will again minus, we will change the sign. 3x minus 3x, that is 0, and 15 minus 15, that is 0. This is not plus, this becomes minus. Okay, everyone can get that? Yes, Artika.
Sir, that why we are changing the signs?
Because we are subtracting the equations. In division, we are subtracting. As in the previous, in the local classes, what you do, if you have to divide 9 by 4, we just take 4 2 ja 8. Here we are subtracting this term, same as it is, we are also doing here. Okay. Now, yes, Rudraj.
Yes, sir. We can separately also divide this polynomial with each term of another polynomial.
Can't do it separately because in the previous I had explained the monomial. This is binomial. That will be a lengthy process. Don't do that. Do by this method because this method is useful in 10th class also.
And sir, you are dividing every number by x also, so you have to divide every number with the first term only.
Only the first of this. Okay. Now come to the question. Next question. First of all, everyone open your book. Open your book, everyone. Come to the exercise 12D. Page number 158, exercise 12D. Okay. Just cancel the question number 5 and question number 6. Cancel all the question number 5 all part and question number 6 all part. We don't need to do that because that is of 2 variable and question number 5 and that is of one lengthy process. So we don't need to do that. Cancel that and come to the question number 3 first. Question number 3, cancel the 5th part. We have to cancel the 3rd, 5th part, 4th part, and 5th and 6th all the part. Okay, anyone is still having doubt? No doubt. Yes, Hariom. Related to this.
No, sir, you have solved that.
Okay, in that now, first of all, do this thing. Okay, cancel the question number 3rd, 5th part, question number 4th part. That is 2 variable. We don't need to do that. It will also not come. Question number 5, question number 6. Cancel all the thing. And question number 7, 4th part. Cancel the question number 7, 4th part. And after 10 means question number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Cancel out. Because that will not come. We have to do till question number 9 only. Okay, everyone can understand this?
Sir, 10th one also.
Question number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Answer this. Okay, yes, Kuldeep.
Please explain one question of second, sixth type.
I will be explaining that. Okay, Rudransh. Yes, Rudransh.
Yes, sir. Sir, that third question, fourth and fifth are same only.
Question number 3rd, 4th, and 5th.
Sir, they are same only.
No, that is not same. Question number 3rd, 4th part is of one variable, and question number 3rd, 5th part is of two variable. So how it is same?
So, sir, that two variable we have to not do.
We don't need to do that because it will not come. Just leave. Okay. Okay. Now everyone, come to the question number 2nd, 6th part. Question number 2nd, 6th part. The question is, we have to divide 1/2 p square q minus 5/8 pq q square plus 1/4 pq q by minus 1/4 p square q square. This is the question, Kuldeep. This is the question. Okay, look at here, everyone. Now, look at here. What we have to do, we have to separate this denominator to each and every term, that is 1/2 p square q upon minus 1/4 p square q square. Okay. Minus 5/8 pq q square upon minus 1/4 p square q square plus 1/4 pq upon minus 1/4 p square q square. Okay, we are separating this numerator to each and every term of the denominator with each and every term of the numerator, like this. Okay, any doubt? Raise your hand. Yes, Riddhi. Fast.
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask like this equation. I think it is minus 1/4 or minus, or it is only minus.
No, minus 1/4 p square q square is there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, Shantanu.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, convert denominator to
Louder.
it is negative.
Speak louder, Shantanu.
Sir, denominator is negative. No, sir, we are not converting positive.
I am writing the negative denominator part. Okay. Yes, Artika, fast.
Sir, please mute Aditya Samant.
Aditya, mute. After answering or after asking, just mute yourself, everyone, because voice is coming 2 times. Echo is there. Hariom, Hariom, mute yourself. Okay. Listen, everyone here. Now, we have separated this. What we will do, we will first transfer this minus into the numerator part, that is this. Now 1/2, 1/4 is there. We will make 4 here and 2 here. That will become 4/2 like this. Because it is in the denominator part, we can transfer it to the numerator and it will go into this. P square will cancel. Q square, that will become Q. Now again, minus is here, so we will transfer this minus into numerator, and if we multiply it will become plus. Now we are transferring 4 on the upside and 8 on the lower side, that will become this. 5 into 8/4. P cube and P square, that will become P. and q square will cancel. Again, this minus will transfer, it will become minus 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 cancel, p cube p square, that will become p, q cube q square, that will become q. 2 ja, 1 ja, 2 ja, that is minus 2q plus 5p upon 2 minus pq. Okay, everyone? Anyone still having doubt? Raise your hand. Yes. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, can you please explain the second step
This
once
is
more?
yeah, or the system.
No, sir. Second one
This
of
is
minus 5 by 8 p cube.
this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at here. As it has given that 5 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. We can transfer this 4 here and 8 there. That if we transfer this 4 here, it will become 5 into 4 or upon 8. Or you can do this in this way, or 5 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. If we convert this divide into, we have to reciprocal this, it will become like this. There are the two ways. Whichever way you are wanting, you can do that. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Mute yourself. Yes. Amarnath.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, please tell me which questions are not coming. I could not hear what was
Subhi. Yes, Subhi.
So in the sign, how it was changed from minus second step
In a
into 5 by 8,
sign.
it was changed.
Okay.
Yes, a sign. How it was.
Yes, Rudraj. Mute yourself after answering.
Yes, sir. Sir, instead of changing the sign, sir, I have done reciprocal and then came the answer. But sir, answer is same.
Okay, but that will be hard to understand for the teacher. This will be easy to understand for the teacher. That's
Sir, I have done that 1 upon 2 p square q cube upon minus 1 upon 4 p square q square. Then I've done 1 upon 2 into minus 4.
okay. That is also correct. That is also correct. You can do that. Okay.
Correct.
Yes, Artika. First.
Yes, sir. Sir, please explain third step.
Okay, I am explaining.
And sir, answer that. No, sir. After.
Okay. Yes. Look at here, everyone. What we have to do? We have to divide this equation by this equation. So we are just breaking this equation like this with each and every term. Okay. Now what we will do? 1 upon 2 is here minus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 2 divided by minus 1 upon 4. Or you can transfer this 4 here and 2 here. Or you can do by this. If it is in this form, so if we are making multiplication, we are just reciprocaling it like this. Okay? We are doing reciprocal. So 4 will become on the numerator and 2 will become in the denominator. Minus 4 upon 2. P square will cancel out. Q square, that will become Q. Minus is here. If we are transferring this minus into numerator, it will multiply with this minus and will become plus. Okay. Now 5 upon 8 and 1 upon 4. 4 will go up and 8 will go down. That is 4 into 5 upon 8 is here. After cancelling, that will become 5 upon 2. P cube P square, that will become P. Q square will cancel out. Minus will transfer here. It will become minus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 will cancel. P cube P square will become P and Q cube Q square will become Q. If we are subtracting this, it will become minus 2q 5 by 2t minus pq. Okay? Everyone write it in your copy. Yes, Ardhika.
And sir, we can multiply also 4 into 5. Then we can solve.
You can also solve it that also. Okay? Yes, Akash.
Sir, when we are dividing polynomial by polynomial, so sir, we can also do in horizontal method.
Horizontal method, no, we can't do with horizontal method. Chaitanya, yes, Chaitanya, can you understand the process?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting what I am explaining to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vartika, are you getting me? Okay. Sanskriti. Okay. Navya, are you getting me? Okay. Now, those who have off their video, first on your video, let me see. Divyanshu Singh. Divyansh Singh. First on your video, Divyansh, and unmute yourself. Divyansh. I am getting the copy with incomplete work. If there is incomplete work, still they have not done the work. Yes. Darakshna Irfan, right?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Are you getting my explanation?
Yes, sir.
Riya Gupta,
Yes, sir.
are you understanding these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the point. Yes, Akash.
Sir, today is your last lecture.
No, today is not my last lecture.
Sir, on 27 our exam will start. No.
Not 27. Your exam will start from 2nd.
Okay, sir.
Okay. There will be a revision class. Now come to the question. Everyone has written this. Can I have it? Now. Question number 1, question number 2 is your homework. Complete it in your copy. Now come to the question number 3, everyone. Question number 3. As I had explained the question number 3rd, first part. Now come to the question number 3rd, 4th part. That is x cube minus 9x square plus 26x minus 24. And divided by x minus 4. This is the equation x cube minus 9x square plus 26x minus 24, and we have to divide it with this. Okay. Drakshna, right? Yes, first unmute yourself, Drakshna. Riya, mute yourself. Riya Gupta.
Yes, sir.
Which type of polynomial is this? First. Which kind of polynomial is this? Vishal Kumar, first, tell me. Vishal, which kind of polynomial is this?
Binomial by
This is
trinomial.
binomial.
No, sir,
This
that
is not a
is
binomial, this is a quadnomial because it is consisting 4 terms. Okay, Gaurav, mute yourself after answering.
Sir, multinomial.
That is also called the multinomial or polynomial. Okay, mute yourself, everyone. Now, what we will do? Come here. First, we will see the first term of this and first term of this. Okay. Now, what we will do? We will divide this x cube by x. That will become x square. So you can write here or you can write here. That is x square. This x square will multiply with this, both of the term. X square into x, that will become x cube. Minus 4 into x square minus 4x square. So we will write minus 4x square here. Okay. Now we will subtract, change the sign. If there is positive, negative, so it becomes positive. It will cancel, 0 will be here. 4x square minus 9x square become minus 5x square. 20 plus 26 will copy here, minus 24 will copy here. Now again we will take the first term of this and this, minus 5x square upon x. So minus 5 x square or x to become x. So we will put minus 5x here. Now again we will multiply x into minus 5x minus 5x square. Minus 4 into minus 5, that will become 20x. Now again we are doing subtraction, that is minus, so it will become plus. It is plus, so it will become minus. We can cancel, that will become 0. 26x minus 20x, that is 6x. 24 will cancel here. Sorry, copy here. Now again we will do the same process. 6x upon this x, that is 6 plus 6. So what we will do? Plus 6 will be here. Again we will multiply, that is 6 into x, 6x minus 4 into 6, that will become minus 24. Again minus plus 0, 0. So the quotient is x square minus 5x plus 6. Anyone? Yes, Akash?
Sir, why in the we have written minus 5x square plus 26x minus 24 there only. So sir, we will take afterwards, no? Minus 24. When we will subtract minus 5x square plus 20x.
Where it is? Here.
Sir, there, sir, upward, just up. Yes, sir, yes. Sir, there.
Minus
Sir,
5x
yes, sir.
minus 26. It is for our comfort that we are copying all the equation. If you don't
Sir,
want
we can take also, we cannot take also.
we cannot. You can also take this minus 24 directly here. But it is better to take the minus 24. So it is a fresh equation. So that will be good for you. Okay. Yes. Anshika Anand.
So for answering, I have raised.
Yes. Shreya.
Yes, yes, sir. We have to take all the variables at one time only.
It will be better for you to take all the variables. Okay? That will not create the confusion to you.
Okay, sir.
Chetan. Yes, Chetan.
Sir, it is important to show that rough work part that you have written in left.
That is not important, but you should show the work. Okay?
Okay.
I will explain the format for answering, for writing the answer in the answer copy in the revision.
Thank you.
Yes, Rudraj.
Yes, sir. Sir, you have asked in the starting of class that's the formula. Then what is the use of formula in this question? So that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder.
If there is formula in the chapter, so you first write the formula in the chapter, then you start the chapter. Okay? Write the proper heading. Formula is required, so write the formula, date, then after that exercise, and you start the exercise.
No, sir. Sir, I'm asking that, sir, you have told us formula, sir. Then in which question?
Here we don't require any formula.
No, sir. Okay.
Okay. Now, anyone is still having doubt? Just raise your hand. As I had, yes. Hariom, wait, Akash.
Sir, the quotient you are writing right side, sir, we can write about the dividend.
You can also write here also, or you can also write here. Wherever you want. Okay, yes, Akash, tell us.
So if we are taking all the variables at one time also, one time only, so we can subtract it only at one time.
No, you can't subtract because if we are multiplying with binomial, only the binomial sum will be there. How you can get the third term?
Okay, sir. Sir, and that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder.
No,
And
here
that
you don't
formula-
need to write. I was just asking to you.
So, sir, for our convenience, we can also check the
For
answer
our
is correct.
convenience, if you want to check, you can check that by multiplying this divisor into quotient. If dividend will come, that is correct. Okay. Okay. Now, anyone is having doubt in this thing? No doubt. I am rubbing this. Now, who want to ask the question? Just raise your hand from the previous exercise only. Fast. Yes, Rudransh.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, my voice is coming.
Yes, your voice is coming.
Yes, sir. Sir, in exercise 12B, sir, you have not tell the concept how to do question number 8 and 9. Sir,
Question
we have
number 8 and 9. Okay. Look at here, question number 8. Everyone. What we will do, question number 8 is asking, I am explaining the question number 8. What must be subtracted from 3x square y minus 2x y square plus 7x minus 2? What must be subtracted from this to get this? Means 7xy square minus 5x square y minus 3x plus 3y. This is the question. What must be subtracted from this to get this? Okay, let's suppose a is subtracted from this. A is subtracted from this, will so the equation will become equal to this. If a is subtracted from this equation, this a is the equation, anybody can take that. After that, the equation will become this because question is asking like this. So what we will do, we will transfer this whole equation before the is equal to and a will become here. So the question will become 3x square y minus 2xy square plus 7x minus 2y. Subtract 7x square y minus 5x y x square y minus 3x plus 3y, which is equal to a. Everyone can get this? Rudraj, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we will do, either you can do with the horizontal method or you can do with the column method with this subtraction. So I am doing with the column method. So 3x square y minus 2xy square plus 7x minus 2y. Subtract 7x y square minus 5x square y minus 3x plus 3y. So the remainder will be the a. Okay. If we are subtracting, just change the sign of this thing. It will become minus, it will become plus, plus and minus. 3x square y, that is, it is not in a correct position. So what we will do, we will first write 5x square y here. And minus 7xy square. That is correct. Now we just rearrange this. If we are subtracting, it will become plus, it will become minus. Okay. 3x square y minus plus 5x square y, that will become 8x square y. This is correct? Yes, Rudraj?
Yes, sir.
Now 2xy square minus 7xy square will become
minus 9xy square.
Okay, it will become minus 9xy square
Plus 10x.
10x
Minus 5y.
minus 5y. This is the required equation. Okay, any doubt?
So, sir, 9th question also will do like this only.
9th question you have to do with this method. Yes, Devansh, tell me.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, in 12A, what will be the answer of 6th, 10th?
What will be the answer of 6th and 10th?
No, yes, sir. Yes. 6th question, 10th one.
Question number 6th, 10th one. Okay.
5. Yeah.
Question number, it has answer has given in the back side now.
Sir, it is showing 0, sir. How it will come 0?
Question number 6, answer is 0. Exercise 12B.
Yes, sir.
Question number
Sir, 12A.
12A. Question number 6. Which part?
The 10th part.
Question number 6, 10th part. That is, question is, what is the degree of this equation? This is the constant term.
Yes.
So instead of this, we can write x to the power 0. So we will take the degree of that. That is 0. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Anyone is still having doubt? Yes, Akash.
Sir, in 12D, 8th question and 9th question will come, no?
Question number 8 and question number 9.
Sir, I cannot understand the 8th question.
I will explain that question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Hari Om.
Sir, before doing the column method, sir, we have to write in a vertical manner, sir, in bracket and minus.
No need to write the vertical bracket in the vertical column. Okay.
Sir, and in 12D, sir, till how much? Sir, homework.
Which question?
No, sir, 12D, sir, till where we?
Homework is exercise 12D. The homework is you have to do till question number 4. Okay. Try to solve. If there is any problem, I will explain it. Okay. Question number 5 and 6 will not come. Just cancel that question. And question number 7, cancel the question 7th 4th part, and till from 10 to 15, cancel all the part. Okay. Now, Saiba Khatun, right? Sabina Khatun, sorry. Sabina Khatun, are you understanding everything?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting everything? You will do the homework now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Divyanshu Srivastava,
Yes, sir.
are you getting everything?
Yes, sir.
So everyone do your homework. Okay. We will be completing the course in next class. Only one class is required. We will complete that. Thank you, class. Thank you, everyone. Akash, you are having doubt? Yes, Akash.
Sir, probability and graphical representation is also left, no?
I will be explaining the probability and graphical representation.
Okay.
Okay, then thank you, class.